Usa sa mga Clashers sa first season sa The Clash ug giilang nga fierce diva ng Pampanga. Kumustahon ta karong buntaga, kapuso singer Miriam Manalo. Mayong buntag, Miss Miriam, and welcome to GMA Regional TV Live.
Maayong buntag sa inyo dyan sa Cebu.
Kumusta na po kayo, Miss Miriam? What's keeping you busy these days?
I'm very good. Siyempre, busy sa pagiging mommy ngayon. And which is, I love. I love being a mom.
Kumusta po yung mga bonding activities niyo po dyan sa bahay kasama yung anak niyo?
Okay naman, marami kaming mga activities na nagagawa. Like in the morning, instead na mag-isa lang ako nag-exercise, dalawa na kami ngayon nag-exercise.
Pero Miss Miriam, ngayon muna, gusto namin malaman saan nag-umpisa itong pagkahilig mo sa pagkanta? At of course, sino-sino din yung mga music influences mo?
Itong musical history ko, parang for me parang laging fresh kasi nga hindi talaga kaagad na discover yung talent ko sa singing. Parang noon kasi laro-laro lang, and then my mom was like, parang may boses tong batang to. So yun kasi mahilig ako ng mga first song na nalaman kong kantahin is a song from Jessa Saragosa and Julina Magdangal. Like the Bakit Pa. If I'm not mistaken, yun yata yung song na kanta ni Miss Jessa Saragosa, yung parang di ko yata kaya, ginagaya-gaya ko pa siya, sa buhay ko ay wala ka. Ganun ako sa ilalim ng mesa. So, doon nag-start hanggang sa, nagkaroon ako ng idolo, talaga, ng bongga, si Mariah Carey and Miss Lani Misalucha.
This time, let's talk about your single, itong Una Ka. What's the story and the inspiration behind this song?
At first, parang I don't really know the meaning of this song. Parang, of course, I know the words, pero hindi talaga siya nagkaroon ng meaning into my life until I lost my daughter. Doon ko talaga na this song was meant meant for her.
And we're very deeply saddened about your loss, Miss Miriam. And you have now a guardian angel watching over you right now, si Baby Layla.
Yay!
And looking back po to those precious moments na nakasama mo si Baby Layla, how rewarding was it to become her mom?
I felt really special, no? Kasi parang feeling ko talaga pinili ako ni God para i-carry yung angel na yon.
And of course, you have a newborn baby, di ba? Ano po yung pangalan niya, Miss Miriam?
Kasi my firstborn is Layla Elena, my second is Lila Emilia naman. Sounds like.
And of course, sa dinami-dami ng pinagdaanan mo and sa mga naging achievements mo, saan ka kumukuha ng inspirasyon? Sino-sino sila yung gusto mong pasalamatan?
Cecil, ang dami kong naging inspiration talaga. Even friends, kahit yung mga nakikita ko lang sa daan ng mga tao na hindi ko naman talaga kakilala, they inspire me, And syempre, kung hindi naman nagiging ganito yung feeling ko, kung hindi dahil sa task, hindi dahil kay God, And syempre, my whole family also, my partner, yung partner ko, he's very supportive. My parents, my brother, and most especially, ang nagpapa-inspire talaga sa akin ngayon is yung daughter ko, si Lila.
And if you can dedicate a song for Baby Layla and to all your loved ones, lalo na si Baby Lila, na yung mga tao talaga na hindi ka iniwanan during the most trying time of your life. Ano yung kanta mo para sa kanila, Miss Miriam?
The first song that came into my mind is You Are the Sunshine. Kasi yun ang lagi kong kinakanta kay Layla. Parang gusto ko mag-sample
Yes! Go ahead, please!
Pwede ba?
Yes, please! Yes, please!
Yes. This song is from Stevie Wonder. Like, konting-konti lang naman. You are the sunshine of my life. That's why I'll always stay around.
Miss Miriam, we look forward to see more of your performances. So please thank your fans na patuloy sumusuporta sa iyo. And of course, please invite them sa mga shows mo and social media accounts.
Yes, guys. Unang-una, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa akin from the very beginning. Don't worry, guys. Magkikita na tayo soon. Babalik na ako on screen. Kaya abangan nyo po ako sa mga future shows ng GMA7. And also, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. Facebook account, Instagram, Laika, and Twitter.
Daghang salamat po, Miss Miriam, for joining us this morning.
Yes, thank you so much.